If you saw my first video, you know that I'm in need of some tires. But if you saw my last video, then you also know that I'm in the market for some new wheels. So I decided to look on OfferUp to see if I can get a good deal on some wheels and tires. If you're not familiar with OfferUp, just imagine if Craigslist and Instagram hooked up one night and had a baby. And that is OfferUp, where you have the ability to just search for items through pictures instead of titles. And as I'm scrolling for a good deal, I come across this listing. NK TS5 rims, bronze, 17x8 for $500. Now, just to give you a little context, to buy these wheels new, you'd be looking at about $1,200 without shipping. They put them on OfferUp for $800. And then themselves reduced the price from $800 to $500, so I just shot them a message and asked them if these wheels are still available. They responded that they are available. So I asked what's the best price that they can give me, and they just responded with a price of $300. So think about it. From $1,200, they put them for sale at $800, reduced them to $500, and now gave me an offer of $300. I just sent them a message to see when they are available to be picked up. And if they tell me right now, I'm willing to drive over there right now to get this deal. So now I'm just waiting on their response. Okay, so they just sent me the message back, and they said that I'll be able to pick up the rims Saturday morning. It is Wednesday night, so now we got to keep our fingers crossed to see and hope that they don't flake out. Sometimes, you know, people don't want to meet up. The other times, this application gets a little bit flaky when it comes to sending messages back and forth. Well, fingers crossed, and let's see if I can grab this deal on Saturday morning. It is Saturday morning and I'm about to make the drive. Aiden is all taken care of and loaded in the car. I just got the text message confirmation, so I'm on my way to pick up my NK wheels.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's there.
5 miles away. So the guy's name is Danny and he parked in the garden section. Sent me a text message while I was on the road, but I'm here now. So let me go ahead and find him so that we can complete this transaction. This is gonna be dope. I'm excited. Okay, so I'm trying to find him. He says he's in a black Toyota Tundra in the garden section. He's just asking me what kind of car I have. All right, I just sent him my car and that I have my blinkers on. See if we could find each other. Déjame checar esto. Oh man.
No, just the thing como no lo usamos.
Yeah, thank you for the... Oh my God, they're perfect, man. Y la cosa es que todo el mundo quiere vender 18s and up, and I'm like, I was looking for 16s.
Yeah.
Just to keep it, you know, como with the spec. And I was like, 17? Hey, I cannot beat this, bro.
Yeah. No, I bought them the same size porque el carro venía abajo.
Yeah.
I didn't want to go bigger.
Bro, they're perfect. Yeah. That's another $50 that you saved me at least. So, you guys okay with recording? I'm here with Danny and Douglas, and I just met up with them to get the NK wheels, and I am absolutely enamored and in shock. These things are in immaculate condition. They are absolutely perfect, brand new and never been used. I am super fortunate to get this deal and be able to apply this onto the vehicle. So I'm ecstatic. I just wanted to thank them and just say thank you very much for the amazing deal. I really do appreciate it, and I can't wait to get these on the car. As you can see here, Aiden is all set up and we are all loaded and ready to go. We got boxes everywhere, including the front seat here. I am very, very fortunate to be able to take advantage of this, and I cannot wait to get the wheels and tires on this car set up. Stuck in traffic right now, and I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna go for lunch, as I happen to be by Sterling Road, which is the exit that I'm trying to get off at right now, assuming that traffic is super slow. I'm trying to see if I can get there so I can get to Chipotle, and we have success. I'll tell you the truth, sometimes in South Florida, if you put your turn signal on, that like actively brings people trying to not let you get into the lane. It's a South Florida thing. Another really cool part about it is that this location is really fast. They're amazing. So I always end up coming here, especially because they're open till 11 because of the late night. So when it's past 9 o'clock and I still want some Chipotle, this is the spot to come to. And here we are, successfully made it home with Chipotle and my NK wheels. I'm really excited about this. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to put off putting them on the vehicle. All right, so I'm gonna take care of Aiden, I'm gonna eat some lunch, and then I'm gonna get to the next step, which is shopping for tires. Thanks for hanging out with me. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.